Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling developer options so you can change animation scales quickly. Go to Settings, About Phone, then tap Build Number 7 times. Enter your PIN when asked. Once done, back out to Settings and find Developer Options under System or Advanced. You do this because animation scales live behind that menu. Enabling it is the single prerequisite that unlocks the controls you'll change next. Make sure to stop at Developer Options. Don't toggle anything else yet. You now change 3 animation scales to remove delays: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Tap each and set them to Animation Off or 0x so UI responses are instant. Once applied, transitions and app openings will feel much snappier because the system skips interpolation frames. If you prefer a milder effect, set them to 0. 5x. However, the goal here is minimal motion. Make sure to test a couple apps to verify behavior. If you're on iPhone instead, you turn off animations via Settings, Accessibility, Motion, then enable Reduce Motion. You do this because Apple hides animation control in Accessibility rather than developer menus. Reduce Motion cuts parallax, most transitions, and autoplay effects. Once enabled, you should notice less movement and faster-feeling navigation. If an app behaves oddly afterward, disable Reduce Motion or restart the device. Also check the app's internal settings, as some apps enforce their own animated behaviors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.